A light magnitude 3.0 earthquake hit 42 kilometers, 26 miles, away from Bingoel, Turkey, in the evening of Thursday, June 26, 2025 at 9:59 p.m. local time. Europe, Istanbul GMT +3. The quake had a very shallow depth of 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, EMSC after 10 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.